Before we dive into today's countdown, we want to thank every one of you for watching, subscribing, and supporting Alpha Gunreview. Your comments, hunting stories, and first-hand experiences help shape every video we create, and they continue to make this community stronger with every upload. Now here's a question for you. If you could choose only one hunting bow for every hunt in 2026, which brand would earn a place in your hands? Hoyt, Mathews, Elite, PSE, Bowtech, or someone else? Let us know in the comments before we reveal our list, because your choice might be very different from ours. The competition has never been tougher. New technologies have made modern compound bows smoother, faster, quieter, and more forgiving than ever before. But one model has become so popular that dealers are struggling to keep it on the shelves. Is it really the best hunting bow of 2026, or is another contender being overlooked? Let's find out as we count down the 7 best hunting bows you should know before your next hunt. Number 7. Xpedition NexLite. If carrying a heavy bow across steep ridges or through thick timber has ever worn you down before the hunt even begins, the Xpedition NexLite deserves your attention. Built with the backcountry hunter in mind, this bow focuses on one simple goal: reducing weight without sacrificing the performance needed for ethical hunting shots. It may not receive the same level of attention as some of the industry's biggest names, but experienced hunters know that a lightweight setup can make a huge difference after miles of hiking. The NexLite weighs just under 4 pounds, making it one of the lightest premium hunting bows available for 2026. Depending on the configuration, it produces IBO speeds of up to around 335 feet per second, while offering draw lengths from approximately 25 to 31 inches and draw weights ranging from 40 to 80 pounds. Its compact axle-to-axle length makes it easy to maneuver inside ground blinds, elevated tree stands, or dense brush, where every inch matters. Despite its lightweight design, the machined aluminum riser provides impressive rigidity, helping maintain accuracy and reducing unwanted vibration after the shot. For real-world hunting, the NexLite performs exceptionally well inside normal bow hunting distances of 20 to 50 yards, where quick target acquisition and comfortable handling are often more important than raw speed alone. The smooth draw cycle allows hunters to reach full draw with less effort, especially during cold weather or when waiting for the perfect shot opportunity. Routine maintenance is straightforward, with quality strings, durable limb pockets, and a finish that stands up well to rough hunting conditions when properly cared for. With a typical retail price between $1,200 and $1,400 before accessories, the Xpedition NexLite offers a premium lightweight package for hunters who spend long days covering challenging terrain and want every ounce working in their favor rather than against them. Number 6. Prime Divide. Prime Archery has built a reputation for engineering bows that emphasize consistency, balance, and precision rather than chasing the highest speed numbers. The Prime Divide continues that philosophy in 2026, offering hunters a remarkably stable platform that inspires confidence when every shot matters. While it may not generate as many headlines as some competing flagship models, its refined shooting characteristics have earned it a loyal following among serious bow hunters who value accuracy above everything else. The Prime Divide features a compact hunting-friendly design with an axle-to-axle length of approximately 33 inches and a brace height around 6½ inches. Depending on the configuration, it delivers IBO speeds of roughly 330 feet per second, while supporting draw lengths from about 25½ to 30 inches, and draw weights ranging from 40 to 80 pounds. Its precision-machined aluminum riser provides outstanding rigidity, while the advanced cam system produces a smooth draw cycle, followed by a firm, repeatable back wall. The bow also minimizes hand shock and vibration, allowing shooters to maintain better control through the shot and recover their sight picture more quickly. In practical hunting situations, the Prime Divide performs exceptionally well within 20 to 60 yards, covering nearly every realistic bow hunting scenario for whitetail deer, mule deer, black bear, elk, and wild hogs. The forgiving nature of the platform makes it suitable for experienced hunters while remaining approachable for archers looking to upgrade from an entry-level setup. Routine maintenance is straightforward, requiring periodic inspection of the strings, cables, cam timing, and limb bolts, while the durable finish withstands demanding weather conditions throughout an entire hunting season. With a typical bow-only price, ranging from approximately $1,200 to $1,400, the Prime Divide represents an excellent investment for hunters seeking dependable field accuracy, smooth shooting performance, and long-term reliability without compromising maneuverability in challenging terrain. Number 5. Bowtech Alliance. Bowtech has long been recognized for introducing innovative technologies that make tuning easier without sacrificing hunting performance, and the Alliance continues that tradition in 2026. Designed for hunters who demand both precision and versatility, this flagship compound bow delivers an excellent balance of speed, forgiveness, and customization. Whether you hunt from a tree stand, a ground blind, or miles deep into public land, the Alliance offers the confidence needed when a once-in-a-season opportunity finally appears. The Bowtech Alliance features an axle-to-axle length of approximately 30 inches, making it compact enough for tight hunting environments while remaining stable at full draw. It produces IBO speeds of up to around 335 feet per second and accommodates draw lengths from roughly 25 to 30 inches, with draw weight options ranging from 40 to 80 pounds. One of its biggest advantages is Bowtech's deadlock cam system, allowing hunters to make precise left or right cam adjustments without requiring a bow press. Combined with the advanced riser design and vibration-reducing technologies, the Alliance delivers a quiet shot, minimal hand shock, and excellent repeatability for consistent field accuracy. For hunting applications, the Alliance performs exceptionally well from 20 to 60 yards, making it suitable for pursuing whitetail deer, mule deer, elk, black bear, and wild hogs across a wide variety of terrain. The smooth draw cycle helps hunters remain comfortable during extended waits at full draw, while the solid back wall improves shot consistency under pressure. Routine maintenance is simple, requiring regular inspection of strings, cables, cam timing, and fasteners to ensure peak performance throughout the season. With a typical bow-only price between approximately $1,300 and $1,500, the Bowtech Alliance represents an outstanding choice for hunters who want premium technology, user-friendly tuning, dependable reliability, and field-proven accuracy in one highly capable hunting platform. Number 4. PSE Sicario. When pure speed meets practical hunting performance, the PSE Sicario quickly becomes one of the most exciting compound bows available in 2026. Built for hunters who want maximum arrow energy without giving up shootability, the Sicario combines aggressive cam technology with a lightweight, well-balanced platform that performs confidently in demanding field conditions. Whether your next hunt takes place in thick hardwood forests, open western terrain, or rugged mountain country, this bow delivers the power needed to handle a wide variety of North American game animals. The PSE Sicario features an axle-to-axle length of approximately 33 inches and a brace height of about 6 inches, creating an ideal balance between maneuverability and long-range stability. Producing IBO speeds approaching 340 feet per second, it ranks among the faster flagship hunting bows currently available. Draw lengths generally range from about 25½ to 31 inches, while draw weight options extend from 40 to 80 pounds, allowing hunters to tailor the setup to their individual preferences. PSE's advanced cam system generates impressive arrow velocity while maintaining a surprisingly smooth draw cycle and a firm back wall that encourages consistent shot execution under pressure. In real hunting situations, the Sicario excels from 20 to 60 yards, providing flat arrow trajectories and excellent penetration for whitetail deer, mule deer, elk, black bear, and wild hogs when matched with properly selected broadheads. Despite its impressive speed, vibration remains well controlled, and the grip promotes comfortable shooting during extended practice sessions before the season begins. Routine maintenance is uncomplicated, requiring regular inspection of strings, cables, cam synchronization, and fasteners to preserve peak performance. With a typical bow-only price ranging from approximately $1,300 to $1,500, the PSE Sicario offers hunters an outstanding combination of speed, accuracy, dependable reliability, and field-ready performance, worthy of its place among the best hunting bows of 2026. Number 3. Mathews ARC. Few names carry as much respect in the bow hunting world as Mathews, and the ARC proves exactly why the company continues to set the standard for premium hunting bows in 2026. Designed to deliver an exceptionally refined shooting experience, the ARC blends advanced engineering with practical field performance that appeals to both experienced hunters and dedicated archers looking for every possible advantage. From the first draw to the moment the arrow leaves the string, every part of this bow feels carefully tuned for accuracy, comfort, and consistency in demanding hunting conditions. The Mathews ARC features an axle-to-axle length of approximately 34 inches, providing outstanding stability without becoming difficult to maneuver in tree stands or ground blinds. It delivers IBO speeds of around 335 feet per second, while supporting draw lengths from roughly 25½ to 31 inches, and draw weights ranging from 40 to 80 pounds. Mathews combines its advanced cam system with a highly rigid riser to reduce vibration, minimize hand shock, and produce an impressively quiet shot. The smooth draw cycle transitions naturally into a solid back wall, allowing hunters to settle their sight picture confidently before releasing the arrow under pressure. In the field, the ARC performs exceptionally well from 20 to 60 yards, covering virtually every realistic bow hunting situation for whitetail deer, mule deer, elk, black bear, and wild hogs. The forgiving design helps maintain tight groups even when shooting from awkward positions or after long hours waiting for the right opportunity. Routine maintenance is simple, requiring regular inspection of strings, cables, cams, and mounting hardware, while keeping the bow clean after exposure to rain, dust, or mud. With a typical bow-only price ranging from approximately $1,400 to $1,600, the Mathews ARC offers premium craftsmanship, outstanding reliability, remarkable shooting comfort, and the dependable accuracy serious hunters expect from one of the industry's most respected manufacturers. Number 2. Elite Varos. Elite has built its reputation by producing bows that combine exceptional shootability with outstanding real-world accuracy, and the Varos stands as the company's finest hunting platform for 2026. Rather than focusing only on maximum speed, Elite designed this flagship model to give hunters complete confidence from the moment they draw the string until the arrow reaches the target. The result is a compound bow that feels remarkably balanced, forgiving, and comfortable during long practice sessions, as well as demanding days in the field, where every opportunity may come only once. The Elite Varos features an axle-to-axle length of approximately 33 inches, creating an excellent balance between stability and maneuverability in tree stands, ground blinds, and open western terrain. It produces IBO speeds of around 333 feet per second, while accommodating draw lengths from roughly 24½ to 31 inches, and draw weights ranging from 40 to 80 pounds. Elite's advanced cam system provides an exceptionally smooth draw cycle that builds steadily into a firm back wall, making it easier to settle the sight pin and execute clean, repeatable shots. The rigid aluminum riser, combined with advanced vibration dampening technology, minimizes hand shock and creates one of the quietest shooting experiences in its class. During actual hunting situations, the Varos performs exceptionally well, from 20 to 60 yards, offering dependable accuracy and sufficient kinetic energy for whitetail deer, mule deer, elk, black bear, and wild hogs when paired with quality hunting arrows and broadheads. The forgiving design makes it easier to maintain consistent shot placement from awkward shooting positions or under intense pressure. Routine maintenance remains straightforward, requiring regular inspection of strings, cables, cam timing, and mounting hardware, while keeping all moving components properly maintained throughout the season. With a typical bow-only price ranging from approximately $1,300 to $1,500, the Elite Varos delivers premium craftsmanship, impressive reliability, outstanding shooting comfort, and the confidence serious hunters expect from a top-tier flagship hunting bow. Number 1. Hoyt Alpha AX-3. Topping our list is the Hoyt Alpha AX-3, the hunting bow that has generated more excitement than almost any other flagship release of 2026. Combining cutting-edge engineering with exceptional field performance, the Alpha AX-3 has quickly become one of the hardest premium compound bows to find in stock. Many dealers have reported strong demand since its introduction, making it the perfect choice for a countdown built around the phrase, "One is selling out fast." For hunters who want uncompromising reliability, impressive accuracy, and confidence on every shot, the Alpha AX-3 represents everything a modern hunting bow should be. The Hoyt Alpha AX-3 features an axle-to-axle length of approximately 33 inches, creating an ideal balance between maneuverability and stability. It delivers IBO speeds of around 335 feet per second, while offering draw lengths from roughly 25 to 31 inches, and draw weight options ranging from 40 to 80 pounds. Hoyt's advanced HBX cam system produces a remarkably smooth draw cycle before settling into a firm back wall that encourages precise shot execution. The lightweight aluminum riser provides exceptional rigidity, while advanced vibration reduction technology minimizes hand shock and keeps every shot impressively quiet, even in close-range hunting situations where animal reactions matter most. In real hunting conditions, the Alpha AX-3 excels from 20 to 60 yards, providing excellent arrow flight, dependable penetration, and outstanding consistency for whitetail deer, mule deer, elk, black bear, and wild hogs when matched with quality hunting arrows and broadheads. The forgiving platform allows hunters to maintain confidence, whether shooting from a tree stand, a ground blind, or challenging mountain terrain. Routine maintenance is simple, requiring periodic inspection of strings, cables, cams, and mounting hardware to ensure peak performance throughout the season. With a typical bow-only price between approximately $1,500 and $1,700, the Hoyt Alpha AX-3 earns its place as the best hunting bow of 2026 through outstanding engineering, premium craftsmanship, and field-proven performance that serious hunters can trust. That wraps up our countdown of the 7 best hunting bows of 2026. Every bow on this list has proven it belongs among today's top hunting platforms, but the best choice ultimately depends on your hunting style, budget, and the game you pursue most often. We'd love to hear your opinion, so tell us in the comments which bow deserves the #1 spot. Is the Hoyt Alpha AX-3 really the king of 2026? Or would you choose the Mathews ARC, Elite Varos, PSE Sicario, Bowtech Alliance, Prime Divide, or Xpedition NexLite instead? Your experience could help another hunter make the right decision before investing in a new setup. If you enjoyed this video and want more honest hunting gear reviews, be sure to subscribe to Alpha Gunreview and turn on notifications so you never miss our next countdown. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.